How to find settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram, and here you will find your profile here in the bottom corner. Click on it, and then you will see here these three lines in the top corner. And then as you see here you will find settings. Click on it, and here you can manage Instagram settings. You can manage here notifications or privacy or anything you want. And that's how to find Instagram Lite settings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.